This is the home screen for iPECS 1. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see that we are currently in the Home menu. The other options here allow us to view our contacts, the Call menu or the Chat menu. From the home screen, you can see what your extension number is. You can also see if you've had any missed calls today or new voicemail messages. From this menu, you can set a call forward. To do this, click the Settings cog icon and then choose which destination you want to forward any calls to. For example, we could forward all calls to our colleague Ed. We can set for every call to be forwarded to Ed, or we can only forward calls if our status is set to busy, or we miss a call entirely. The home screen also shows you most recent chat conversations, as well as the new Spaces section, which will be added in 2021.